Okay, now let us take into account the economic importance of fungi. There are certain fields in the day-to-day human life where we have to interact with fungi, whether positively or negatively. Now, it is our human nature that we tend to get the best benefit out of whatever organism is provided to us, and so is in the case of fungi as well. We have used fungi to our best use in the industry of medicine. In alcohol industry, as you know, it is also dependent upon fungi, and apart from that, without our dependence on fungi for decomposition, we cannot see the lot of garbage and other dirt and other material. Environmental decomposition that the fungi helps in is very important for the various ecosystems, and there are other functions as well. Nowadays, fungi is important for the farmers as well, because it is being used in agriculture industry as well. So what we are going to study is what are the various economic fields in which we have utilized fungi to our best use. And the first one that we study is in medicine. When I say in medicine, because it is a microorganism, it could be used in best way for production of antibiotics. Now, when I say antibiotics, the first thing that you have heard from your childhood is penicillin. Now, this penicillin is an antibiotic which has been extracted from a fungi known as Penicillium notatum. Now, this is also very you can say cliched fact. All of you students know that Penicillium notatum, Sir Alexander Fleming was the person who had extracted it. He used the penicillium. He saw that whenever he had this penicillium around, this fungi was present, he could not see the growth of streptococcus, that was a bacteria, and in this way he discovered penicillium along with two other scientists. He was awarded Nobel Prize as well, because antibiotics are of great medicinal importance. Now, what do these antibiotics do? They are living organisms against the organisms itself, and what we see is that penicillin is a very strong antibiotic. Apart from that, we have another antibiotic, that is streptomycin. You might have heard, that is taken from Streptomyces, and this is used for those bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, which penicillin cannot cover. So we have the medicine industry which thrives on various fungi for production of the antibiotics. Apart from that, when we study about fungi and their usage, we do find certain fungi like Monescus purpurus and rest of the fungi which are used for production of clot busting drugs, and at the same time they are used for the immunosuppressants. There are certain fungi which are used in medicinal industry as immunosuppressants, as the clot busters, or they could be used for reducing production of statins. At the same time, the fungi could be harmful as well, because there are many fungi, as you know, that they are heterotrophic, so they cause many diseases, and especially in the plants, they are very much disease causing in the agriculture industry. So where we study that they are beneficial for a farmer, at the same time they cause many diseases in farmers itself, like we are going to study about that later on. Now, the next field of economic importance is the industry. When I talk about industry, I am referring to first of all the alcohol industry, a huge industry. You must be knowing, lot of revenue is generated from this industry, and not just revenue, they are generating many diseases as well, this industry, but we don't consider that matter, because what we study in the economic importance of fungi is that there are many drugs which use alcohol as their basis, the drugs which are recreational drugs. Apart from that, there are many cosmetics, many chemicals which require alcohol, and you know that alcohol is formed as a result of fermentation that is brought about by yeast. Now, the alcoholic fermentation by yeast is responsible for production of ethanol, and ethanol runs a lot of industries apart from its own industry. So we have alcohol industry which is surviving on it. Next, we have many chemicals which are produced as a result of some fungal intervention, like we have Aspergillus niger, that is a fungi. We have citric acid which is formed. We have acetic acid which is formed from this fungi. We have gallic acid which is required by various industries. So, there are many acids which are formed as an intervention, as a result of intervention by some or other fungal metabolic activity. Now, fungal metabolism gives rise to all these chemicals which we utilize for our own good. So, we have acetic acid, we have citric acid, we have gallic acid. All these acids, they would be derived from some or other fungal metabolic activity. So, you see that a lot of industrial output or the industrial functioning is also dependent upon the fungi itself. Now, coming to the factor which is very important for everybody, so that there is an ecological balance that is maintained, and that factor is environmental decomposition which is performed by fungi itself. This environmental decomposition is the important process. It is an important ecological parameter that we study for every ecosystem. You see, there is lot of production that takes place. That production is being consumed by the consumers. Now, every organism has a limited lifespan. When the organism dies, it has to be decomposed, and whatever nutrient content is being stored, or you can say it has been logged in the organism, that needs to come back in the ecosystem, and it would become a part of nutrient cycling, and that breakdown of that logged nutrient content is being brought about by the environmental decomposers, that is fungi. Fungi along with other decomposers, but most of the part and the role is played by fungi itself. You see that whenever there is dead and decaying material, you would find some or other fungi. Example is that you find many mushrooms growing on dead and decaying logs of wood. So, what they are doing over there, they are basically doing the decomposition, and that is an important criteria. Now, while discussing this environmental decomposition, I have mentioned the term mushrooms. So, there is another economic importance that nowadays, because we are shifting from plant sources to other sources of the food, and one example for such is mushrooms. Now, you see, mushrooms, or the other name is agaricus, these mushrooms are source of food and they are consumed. Apart from, there are certain mushrooms which are highly poisonous, they cannot be consumed, but slowly and steadily we are replacing the food material which is being taken from the plants. Instead, we are going towards these sources, like we have single cell proteins, we have algal proteins which we are consuming like spirulina and rest, and so is in the case of mushrooms and toadstools that we consume. So, this is an important economic importance because they are used as food source as well. Alright, now the next thing that we need to study is that apart from food source, apart from environmental decomposition, industry, in medicine, we have certain implications of fungi, and there are certain you can say symbiotic associations which fungi have in the root, in the soil itself, which help the ultimate outcome of the plant and their production capability. So, we are going to see that as well. We have seen that they are important in medicine, they are important in industry, both alcohol and other acid formation industries. We have seen that they are important as food source. We have also seen that they are important for environmental decomposition, and at the same time they are causing lot many diseases in the fields because they are parasitic as well. So, you know that most of the rusts and smuts which destroy the entire crop, you might have heard or you might have read in the newspapers that the entire field of wheat goes yellowish in color because there is a fungal invasion, as you can say. So, we have smuts and rusts which are caused, like we have ergot disease of rye which is caused by a fungi, but to our surprise we utilize those diseases as well for our benefit, and that is being utilized in the industry because no man would let any source of energy or any source which is providing some or other return go vague. So, we do have certain uses of the fungi, and at the same time we have lot many diseases which are caused by fungi. Now, next we are going to study about the symbiotic association the fungi has, that is with the plants. So, in this particular lesson we are not considering the associations that the fungi have in the plants, in the case of plants, that we are going to study in next lesson. What we have restricted our study to is the medicine industry, the industries like alcohol and the industry of acid production and the environmental decomposition. So these are the few economic importances. The next lesson we take is involved with the importance of fungi in association with any other